Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing doors, drawers, and hardware. Label each piece so reassembly is fast and accurate. Clean every surface with a grease-cutting degreaser. Make sure to rinse and let it dry fully. Next, scuff sand the cabinet faces with 120 grit. You're removing the clear coat and creating tooth for the paint. Once done, vacuum and wipe with a tack cloth so dust won't lift into the finish. Now, fill any dents or gouges with a lightweight wood filler. Sand smooth with 220 grit so the surface is seamless. Apply an adhesion primer. Thin, even coats reduce runs. Wait about 30 minutes between light recoats. For painting, cut in edges with a high-quality angled brush, then roll panels with a fine-cell foam roller to avoid stipple. Maintain a wet edge and feather strokes, so finish by applying 2 thin top coats of cabinet paint, sanding very lightly with 320 grit between coats to ensure adhesion and smoothness. Make sure the final cure is 24 to 48 hours before you reinstall hardware. Use felt pads or soft backing to prevent scratching. If a section looks dull or feels tacky, sand that spot smooth and recoat. Often the cure was incomplete or humidity slowed drying. Adjust drying time and work in lower humidity conditions to avoid repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.